Good morning, students. In the last class, we have learnt about the nutrients and the balanced diet. In this class, we are going to see about what happens to the food that we eat. See here, our body uses all the nutrients which is present in our food. So to do so, the body that is changing the food into a simpler substances. You can see here the process by which the useful substances, that is the nutrients which is present in the food, and that is converting into a simpler substances, that is called digestion. Let's see one by one. These are all the organs of a human digestive system, that is mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. The digestion actually begins in our mouth. You can see here, with the help of the teeth, we are breaking down the food into small pieces, and the saliva, that is a digestive juice that is present in our mouth. With the help of the saliva, the carbohydrate nutrient that starts to get digested, and it's converted into simple sugars in our mouth. Then we are swallowing the food with the help of the food pipe, and it reaches the stomach, and the food remains in the stomach for few hours. Then what happens? The acid which is present in the stomach that helps to digest the food into a fine paste. Then the acid which is present in the stomach that is actually helps to kill the germs which is present in the food. Then the food passes into the small intestine. The small intestine is a long narrow tube. You can see here the red part is a small intestine. Here what happens? The food that mixes with the digestive juices from the liver and the pancreas. They digest the carbohydrates, proteins, fat which is present in the food. And here in the small intestine, you can see so many blood vessels present there. So here the blood vessels that absorb the nutrients and passes throughout the body. That is the useful substance that is passes throughout the body. Then the undigested food, that is that food enters into the large intestine. Here the large intestine absorbs all the water present in the undigested food. So what is remaining? That is the waste part, that is the solid waste that actually goes and it thrown out of the body in the way of fecus. The last part of the large intestine is anus, and through the small opening the fecal matter go out from the body. So this is the digestion. Let's see an activity. In the class you can see page number 6. The first one, saliva begins the digestion of proteins or carbohydrates. Which one? It is carbohydrates, right? And what is they are doing? The carbohydrates that is converted into simple sugars. And the second one, the food is churned into a fine paste in the stomach or small intestine. In the stomach. Third one, digestion of a food is completed in the dash, small intestine or large intestine? Small intestine. Okay. Now let's do an home activity. Take a large piece of plain chapati and chew it as much as you can and make it into a fine paste, and you can find the simple sugar that is present in the chapati. So why you know? Because this is because the saliva which is present in our mouth that breaks down the carbohydrates which is present in the chapati into simple sugars. Hope you all understood this. See you all in the next class. Take care. Bye.